Ever wondered how those crazy melt it, crush it, explode it effects are made? You've probably seen them all over social media. Objects stretching, bursting, or transforming in the most mind-blowing ways. Well, in today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create these effects using Pika AI, step by step. And the best part? You don't need expensive software or advanced skills. Let's dive right in. Before we jump into the effects, here's a quick tip. You'll need your images ready before using Pika AI. If you don't have any, don't worry. I've already made several tutorials on how to create high-quality images, and I'll leave the links in the description below so you can check them out. Open Google Chrome or any browser of your choice. In the search bar, type Pika AI and hit Enter. Click on the first result that appears to access the official Pika AI platform. If you're new, click on Register to create an account. It's quick and free. If you already have an account, simply log in. Pro tip: Pika AI offers 80 free credits daily, so if you run out, you can either wait until the next day for new credits or sign in with another account to continue generating effects. Once you're logged in, scroll down and find the Upload Image section. Click on Select Image and choose the picture you want to transform. Below the Upload section, you'll find a variety of fun and crazy effects. Some popular ones include Crush It, makes your object collapse as if it's being smashed. Explode It, blows up your object in a dramatic burst. Inflate It, expands your image like it's being pumped with air. Cakeify It, turns your image into a cake-like texture. For this tutorial, let's select the Crush It effect. After choosing the effect, you'll have the option to set the duration. For a longer, more detailed video, choose 10 seconds, but be aware this uses more credits. To save credits, we'll keep it at 5 seconds, which is perfect for quick social media content. Once you're satisfied with your selections, click the Start button to begin the video generation process. Pika AI will now process your request. It may take a few moments, so be patient. When the video is ready, click the downward arrow to download it directly to your phone or computer. Now, to make the video even more interesting, let's try another fun effect, the Cakeify It effect. This effect transforms your image into a cake-like texture that you can literally slice, as if it's a real cake. It's a playful and eye-catching effect that works great for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Go back to the effect options and select Cakeify It. Click on Select Image, and this time, we'll upload a basket of tomatoes image to test how it looks. Once your image is uploaded, click the Start button to begin the video generation process. After the video is generated, take a look. You can see how the basket of tomatoes has transformed into a realistic cake. And check this out. The cake is even being sliced with a knife. Imagine the creative possibilities with this effect. You could turn everyday objects into cake and surprise your audience with fun, unexpected visuals. Now, let's explore another unique effect, the Squish It effect. This one makes your image compress and squish, as if it's being squeezed or flattened. It's perfect for adding playful, dynamic movements to your videos. Go back to the effect options and choose Squish It. Select a new image. We'll use a plush toy for this demonstration. Once the image is uploaded, hit the Start button to begin generating the effect. And there you have it. Our plush toy is squished down in a fun, cartoon-like motion. This effect is perfect for creating engaging, fast-paced content on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, or even as playful transitions in longer videos. Bonus tip: maximize free credits. Remember, Pika AI gives you 80 free credits daily, so if you want to try more effects after using them up, you can either wait until the next day or log in with another account to continue experimenting without paying. And that's how you create mind-blowing, melt it, crush it, explode it effects using Pika AI. Whether it's turning tomatoes into cake, squishing toys, or making things explode, these effects are a game changer for making your content stand out. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more tutorials like this. And don't forget, there are extra links in the description if you need help generating images to use with Pika AI. Let me know in the comments which effect is your favorite, and I'll see you in the next video.